Starting off top stock is Norm Sorensen in his 327-powered 67 Chevy Nova versus Dennis Miles in his 302-84 Mercury Capri. You may notice the Capri's resemblance to a Mustang. That's because for a brief spell, Mercury built their own 5-liter pony car. A bad reaction time for Dennis, but he catches up, but doesn't quite make it, being 1/100th of a second slower. Next up is Don Lemoyne's 390-68 AMX versus Kevin Chapman's 446-pack. Kevin was the runner-up in last year's Clash of the Cubes, but he red lights out this time, giving the win to Don. In the 340-73 Dodge Challenger is Jack Nelson of Utica, Michigan. In the other lane, Kent Springer in a 304-powered 79 AMC Sprint. Saturday, Jack won the D top stock class. However, this time he crosses the finish just behind Kent. Though the black car looks like a Torino, the 70.5 Ford is actually the last year for the Falcon. Supra Cobra-Jet 429 powered, it's owned by Landon Jordan. And though the other car looks like a GTO, it's actually a 455-67 Pontiac Tempest owned by Bob Hinson. Landon takes the win. Now here's a Torino, a 70 model, also 429 powered, owned by Paul Adams. He's up against Anthony Giglia's 69 AMX with 390 power. And the big Ford is the winner. A pair of pony cars now. Chet Roberts' 67 350 Camaro against Barry Poole's 68.5 Cobra-Jet 428 Mustang. Chet is one of the many racers here out of Huntington, Tennessee, while Barry hails from Chatham, Ontario, Canada. The big block dominates. Next up is Tommy Dabbs of Hernando, Mississippi in his Bowtie 454 70 Chevelle versus Mike Semchi of Newton Falls, Ohio in a Poncho 400 powered 67 Goat. Man, this is a close race. Semchi wins with a 12.21 to Dobbs' 12.22. A 69 AMC SC Rambler comes up to the line, one of only 1,500 made. Driven by Eddie Peacock, this C-Class car is going up against Ken Keisling's B-Class 427 70 Nova. The AMC 390 Power gets the better launch, but it looks like the Nova's got the race. Next, we've got a pair of convertibles. Derek Smith's 69 454 Corvette Roadster and Stan Davis's gorgeous 455-70 Buick GS. Stan came in third in his class in the car show. The A-Class Vet beats the F-Class Buick. Next up is Danny Kellums in a big, bad 1969 427 Camaro against Chuck Churchill of Olive Branch, Mississippi with a 350-71 Vet. Chuck gets the good reaction time, but Kellums' cubes are coming on strong. A couple more generals to the line. New Orleans native Marco Massera has a 71 Corvette with a 454, while Galen Rogers drives his 400 cubic inch 67 Buick GS show car. The Buick takes the win based on reaction time. Okay, we've got former Superstock racer Barry Poole up against Kent Springer in his small block 79 AMC Spirit. An easy win for Poole's Cobra-Jet Mustang as Kent red lights. A couple of big block Chevys approach the line next. Ken Keisling's 4-speed 427 Nova versus Derek Smith's automatic 454 Vet. Ken is a native of Dumas, Texas, and gets good reaction time against the Vet, but it looks like Derek is pulling away. Next up is Mike Semchi's 67 GTO and Dennis Miles' 84 Capri. It's 4-speed versus 5-speed. Young Dennis is a local racer from South Haven, Mississippi, and returns this round because his last opponent was disqualified. However, it looks like the GTO is going to take this one home. One of the past contenders for Clash of the Cubes, Danny Kellums' 427 Camaro, is alongside first-place show winner Galen Rogers in his classy-looking Buick GS. Danny's better reaction time launches him first, and he stays ahead.